Hi guys, happy Labor Day weekend. I'm Barry with Southern RV and we are on the sales lot and we're going to show you today this R-Pod that was recently traded in. These things are highly sought after. Folks that are just getting into RVing, they want something small, they want something lightweight. Well, this is kind of it in a nutshell. It only weighs about 2,600 pounds. We're right at about 20 feet in total length. We're talking about the front of the frame and everything, front to back. And because this is a 2016 and it's in great shape, we have it at an amazing deal. This would have originally been around $21,000 at MSRP. We're letting it go for $11,497. As you can see, this thing's in great shape inside and out for that matter. So come on down and see us. We're at 324 Industrial Boulevard in McDonough, Georgia. You can give us a call at 770-477-0552 if you just want to put down a deposit on it. We can do that over the phone as well. Until next time, happy RVing.